Hello, welcome to the Conversion Pros. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer and my job is to make sure that you are successful. Well, a couple things happens when you first join the Conversion Pros. The first thing is we need to determine what you're looking to do, because there's basically two types of people that use the Conversion Pros. The first person is a person that's looking to build their current business, get more leads, get more sales, learn how to market, build landing pages and sales funnels. Perfect, we can do that for you. The second person is someone that might not be in a business, but likes the Conversion Pros affiliate program and wants to know how to market the affiliate program and make some additional money doing that. That's okay too, because we can train you on how to do that. So below, you're gonna find two buttons. One says, build your business. The second one says TCP affiliate. So, you want to build your business? Hit the one that says build your business. If you want to build TCP, hit the one that says TCP affiliate. Either way, you're going to get trained the right way and on the fast track to success.